Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a single notebook called Daily Tasks so everything lives in one place. Once done, add sections: inbox for captures, today for active work, and upcoming for planning. This separates incoming items from focus. Make a page template with a time block and checkbox list to reuse. This saves setup time each morning. Use tags like to do and important so you can filter quickly and keep momentum without hunting for notes. Now capture everything fast. Use quick notes or your phone to dump tasks the moment they appear. Once captured, drag or move items into today during a brief 5-minute morning triage so your focus list is realistic. Tag each task with to-do, priority, or waiting so filters show only what matters. This reduces context switching. Make sure to add due dates or reminders for time-sensitive items so you won't miss deadlines and can plan your work blocks. You execute tasks in timed blocks, checking items off to get visible progress and momentum. At day's end, review and move unfinished items into upcoming or reset them on the template so tomorrow starts clean. Use search and tags to find anything fast. This keeps your system reliable. If one note doesn't sync or pages disappear, force a sync, sign out and back in, and check notebook storage. That simple troubleshooting step usually restores your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.